students, how are you? In last class, we have studied about structure of alimentary canal. Now, today we will study about different types of digestive glands. Three types of digestive glands are there. First of all, first gland is salivary gland, second pancreas, and third is liver. First of all, we will study about salivary gland. Salivary gland secrete watery fluid called saliva. Saliva contains many enzymes called salivary amylase that helps to digest the starch. Saliva also help in lubrication the food. Three pairs of salivary glands are present and open into the buccal cavity. These are three salivary glands are present. These are three salivary glands. First, parotid gland that is open into the cheek. Second pair of salivary gland is sublingual gland that is located below the tongue, and third pair of salivary gland is submandibular or submaxillary gland, and this is located in the lower jaw. This is lower jaw, and these all salivary glands open into the buccal cavity. Next, second gland is pancreas. Pancreas is the second largest gland. This is pancreas. This is pancreas, and second largest gland is this is second largest gland, and this is located near the duodenum. This is duodenum, and this is located near the duodenum. It has two parts. First, exocrine part, and second, endocrine part. First, endocrine part. Endocrine part. This endocrine part contain a group of cells. These are called islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans, and these islets of Langerhans cells group of cells are made up of three types of cells: alpha cells, beta cells, and delta cells. First, alpha cells. Alpha cells produce glucagon hormone. At this hormone, glucagon hormone, this hormone increase level of sugar in the blood. And second, beta cells. These cells produce insulin hormone. Insulin hormone, and insulin hormone decrease blood sugar or glucose in the blood. And third type of cells secrete somatostatin hormone. Somatostatin hormone. This hormone inhibit the secretion of glucagon and insulin hormone. Next, exocrine part. Exocrine part secrete pancreatic juice. And this juice, its nature is alkaline. Pancreatic juice have alkaline nature, and in pancreatic juice different types of enzymes are present, like as trypsinogen, amylase, lipase, nuclease, etc. Third gland is liver. This is liver, and this is largest gland of the body. This is bilobed structure, and every lobe is made up of hepatic lobule. Every lobe is made up of hepatic lobule, and hepatic lobule have many cells called hepatic cell. Hepatic cells. Hepatic cells secrete bile juice. Hepatic cells secrete bile juice, and bile juice is stored in the gallbladder. This is gallbladder, and bile juice secrete and is stored in the gallbladder. Is stored in the gallbladder. This bile juice does not contain any enzyme, but it has bile salt, bile salts, bile pigments, cholesterol, and phospholipids. Bile pigments are two types, bilirubin and biliverdin. Two types of bile pigments are present, biliverdin and bilirubin. And look this structure. These two bile ducts, from each lobe, bile duct join and form common hepatic duct. Common hepatic duct and duct from the gallbladder join and form common bile duct. Bile duct and this pancreatic duct combine together and form hepatopancreatic duct. The opening of hepatopancreatic duct in the duodenum is guarded by sphincter of Oddi. This is sphincter of Oddi. This is structure of liver. In the next class, we will study about process of digestion. Thank you.